Hi, this is Anya and you are watching Incredible Indian Arts. So from today we are going to start a tutorial series of drawing and sketches. In this we are going to tell you how to make different type of sketches and the basics of drawings. Enjoy our first video. So here I have made an eye for the sample and now I'm going to make the next one. So let's start. You have to follow whatever I'm doing. Now the next step is to darken the upper line . And now we will make the eyeball. Another ball inside the eyeball. Like this. And now I will make the light falling on the eyeball. Like this. I'll darken the inside ball. And now I will start making these spokes. We will need to do it like this. Now you have seen that I have divided it into some sections. Now we will shade it according to the sections. We will start from the up and with the darkest part. And now we will move on to the lighter parts. Like this. And the bottommost part should be the lightest one. And now we will darken the lines of the sections and make some smaller spokes from the inside of the ball. Let's dark the outline. The eyeball is done. Now we will start with the eyelashes. Now the eyelashes will be like this. We will make the eyelashes curved to show beautiful eyes. Some curved from left and some curved from right. So it doesn't look like our eyes is so much cartoonic or artificial. So here I have done it. Now never forget the little ones below. I will make some longer eyelashes to make my eyes even more beautiful. Now when it is done, we will erase the graphite which has came out while shading. This part is very important before you shade any other thing. Now you can see that eyelashes are going up, so their shadow must be here. So we will make a shadow for it like this. Now we will take a little bit of cotton and roll it to give it a shape. Now where I have given the shadow, I'll just blend it down. And now we will erase the smaller parts which we need to be white, like this. This erasing part is very important whenever you are sketching anything. Now we will draw these folds of the eyes, like this. And now we will darken these outlines and give a shade. We will take our cotton again and blend it likewise. Let's move to the bottom of the eye. So we always need to draw a very light but important line beneath our eyes to give it a more real look. We will again take the cotton and blend it. Here we need to make a line like this for the sake of the showing realness, and we will again shade a little here. Now I will erase this part where our white area of the eye is. Now I will make an eyebrow. Shade it. And make the hairs. So our eye is done. We will shade a little bit here to show the skin and give it a uniformity. We will take the cotton and blend it likewise here and there. So our eye making is done. So here we have made it. So now let's move on to our next human figure, which is the subject of nose. So for today, that's all. We will tell you how to make nose in our next video. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel so that you will be able to see our upcoming videos as soon as possible. Thank you and have a nice day.